Here's a level 7 type question. Graph y is greater than or equal to negative x squared minus 8x minus 12. My a is minus 1, my b is minus 8, my c is negative 12. The h is negative b over 2a. Negative b divided by 2 divided by the a. The k, I'm just going to feed it into here. The reason I'm doing that and not using the other formula for the k, I'm going to change the x values and I want the y values to change at the same time. This is going to be the y value. If I plug in the h, it's going to give me the k. Is equal to the a times the x squared plus the b times the x plus the c. The x I'm using is the h, and that feeds me the k. Negative 4 is right here. It's opening down, so I'm going to expect something like that. I'm going to try negative 3, then negative 2, negative 1 to see what my y value will be at those points. So negative 3, that gives me 3. Okay, so negative 3 works. That is my parabola. We're talking about an inequality. Y is greater than or equal to that. I'm shading above the parabola. It's greater than or equal to. It's a solid parabola. And this is my inequality. And I press answer to see if I'm right. Let's try this one. The a is 1/4 equals 1 over 4. The b is negative 5 over 2 equals negative 5 over 2. The c is equal to negative 7 over 4. The h is negative b value divided by 2a. Now I can write divided by, in brackets, 2 times the a value, but it's a little bit faster to say divided by 2 and then divided by the a. Either one will give you 5. To find the k, I'm going to plug in this equation. That way, when I change this to find other x and y points, this is going to be my y value. It's equal to the a times the x squared plus the b times the x plus the c. And that gives me negative 8. 5, negative 8. We're opening up. I'm going to look at what happens when x is 6. What happens when x is 7? I'm going to get a decimal with 6. With 7, I have negative 7. But when x is 7, we have negative 7. That is our parabola. We want an inequality when y is greater than or equal to. It's equal to, it's a solid. Greater than, I'm shading above. And then we press answer to see if we're right.
Yay.
Here we have y is less than negative 2/9 x squared plus 20 over 9x minus 77 over 9. A is equal to negative 2 over 9. The b is equal to 20 over 9. The c is equal to negative 77 over 9. The h is negative b divided by 2 divided by the a. K is, I'm just going to feed this x value back into this equation to get the y value, which in this case is going to be the k, is equal to the a times the x squared plus the b times the x plus the c, which gives me 5, negative 3. This is opening down. I'm going to see what happens when x is 4. That gives me a decimal when it's 3, decimal when it's 2, negative 5. We go through 2, negative 5. So this is less than, it's dotted. Less than is we're shading below. Then press answer to see if you're right. All right, and that is it for level 7. Have a good day.